Hello guys! Ayan si Craig nag-vacuum sa aking car. Pinapacuum ko siya guys kasi mabaho na yung car ko. Siya ang tig-cleaning sa aking car. Ayan dami yung mga cans, mga dirty spots there guys.
Your car, how come I have to clean it?
Because you know why? Nag-i-smoke kasi siya dito guys. Ayan, pinabakuan siya, mabaho na siya sa car. Ayan, o diba? Babe? So, ikaw ang mag-vacuum. At ako din kasi guys, pag lagi kong nagbabacuum, nagkakasakit ako. What did you spray that before? Huh?
Like armor or protector.
Dog next door is too loud barking. Can you hear? Can you hear? I can hear. Somewhere there.
Cheap armor one for you, the Maguire's one goes on my car. Different because this has clean coat.
Hand washing with Craig.
If it was warmer, I'd just do in sections and wash the soap off, but it's not that warm.
Cheaper than to go in the car wash.
Yeah, that's right. And better.
And better.
Car washes cause, I reckon, too much damage to your car. Chemicals and the mat and the grit. And just that like do it on the taxi sometimes because it doesn't matter. But this one. Not when you've got all the things at home, no, no.
Lost your bucket. You just put there. You thought that is still in the other side, this bucket, guys. Good job of doing hand wash in my car.
If you keep on top of it, Even though this one probably hasn't been done for 2 months, it wasn't too bad, but do it, I don't know. Someone told me once that you should treat your car as if it's worth $1 million, because then when you get $1 million car, you'll know how to treat it. It's just me.
Yay! Mabasa ako ngayon.
It looks good now. It looks good. Shiny na yung car ko. It's shiny now, babe. The wheels you need to wash too.
Your hands get cold.
Yeah, because it's like 15 degrees Celsius now. The water's cold.
The water's cold. Now he's washing the wheels. How come you didn't wash it before?
Because the wheels are the dirtiest part. You want to wash it last so you don't get the dirt to scratch the paint on the thingy. I don't know, just the way I do it.
Okay.
Huh?
No, after you wash the body before, then you wash the wheels.
Because you want to get the soap off before it dries. It doesn't leave streaks.
Oh, okay.
If it's summer and I do the fair line, actually then get a chamois out and dry it off. Probably just do that with the windows. Chamois the windows off so you don't get spots, and then clean the windows. But it's, you know, everyone's different. It's only washing a car. It doesn't really matter. It's not a show car or anything where you spend 2 weeks getting it clean.
You don't sit down?
Sorry?
You don't sit down?
Why?
I can see your thing in the
Yeah, that's
bottom.
the whole idea. Get you excited. Although it's probably not the best angle.
You should wear a brief.
I've got briefs on.
Huh?
I've got briefs on.
No. Underwear.
I've got underwear on.
You got underwear. You should take off your pants.
Take them off.
Oh, while washing our car.
Cold for that.
Too cold. You get many views if you're gonna.
No, yeah. Get 75 like me.
I love my car. I like the color
It's the
red.
only time in my life I bought a brand new car, and it wasn't even for me. Everything always second hand. But anyway, no, it's good safety and stuff for the family.
But who paid for it?
Yeah, you paid most of it. That's why it's your car.
Yeah.
Now come on, wash it though.
But you know how to wash the car. I don't know how to wash the car.
You could learn. You don't want
I just wanna watch.
Yeah, that's right.
I just gonna watch.
No, it's alright.
Glass.
Use a chamois. It's always, you know, takes you 5 minutes, but it's a good way to stop. You just let it dry without doing it, you get window spots all over, which is okay if you're going to clean it. But if you're not going to clean it, I don't know.
My cushion for my car. I wash it also. Kia is a good car, babe.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's a good car. I'm happy for it.
I
We're
mean,
happy.
None of them have got character anymore, but Kia's good because it's a 7-year warranty and they're service people, and if you have a problem, they're really good. They help you, not like some, just speaking from our experience. Yeah, it's okay, it's good. It's only done 52,000 in, you know, what's that, 51 or something? Like in, you know, over
5 years or
over
6 years?
6 years, 2000, yeah, over 6 years. So
2018?
17.
17? Yeah. 2017 Kia.
We're gonna clean the windows anyway because they're a bit sturdy on the inside. All these, you know, kids, they just treated.
Inside?
Yeah, I'll just let this dry. Clean the windows out and in, and then when the wheels dry off, do the tyre shine, and that'll be about it. Once they show me the windows, now I'm just going to give them a quick clean. I use paper, any, you know, Windex or whatever. Just save the old papers because they're free, and paper works the best. Zap, 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 zap.
Zap, zap, zap. So that's tips, guys, to clean the glass. Use a paper, newspaper.
Just get the paper a bit saturated. Go over it. And the taxis just do every day or second day, and it doesn't build up. And then just turn your paper over, use a dry bit. Easy peasy.
Now the inside.
And the inside. Go back to your wet bed. Hear that lovely, clean, sweet little track.
So that's it.
It's good enough.
That's it.
It's not a show.
It's finished. Finished now cleaning.
The windows.
Yeah. And then the wheels you do later.
Yeah, gotta wait for the wheels to dry. Just put some tire shine on.
Bye for now. Thank you for
Thank
watching.
you.
Thank you a lot.
I'm excited washing the car.
Bye for now, guys. See you next time.